Hiya, I've come out on my own today. Molly didn't want to come out. This is a little old lady and she's tired, and I've just come into the fields close to where I live. It's beautiful, the beautiful English countryside, and I've come out here just for a break before lunch. I put some trail cams out today. We've got a huge garden, and we've got probably about half a dozen different bird feeders out, lots of different places to sit. And I've put trail cams against two bird feeders, one with seeding and one with fat balls in. So far, nothing seems to have come on them, so I'm going to leave them all day and see what we get. Usually it's absolutely packed out with birds. It's wonderful, I can stand at the kitchen window and watch them all day, but they've not today. So I thought we'd just come out for a walk. This is where I put the trail cam out to get the fox a couple of days ago. And just let you have a look. It's beautiful, the English countryside. I love it. Look at those fields behind me. Look at that, it just goes on forever. I'll turn the camera round and let you have a look at what's going on. Fields of barley, wheat, one of the three, and they're all growing now. There's houses in the background over there, but we're quite close to civilization here. The more you walk, and the farther out into the countryside you get. It's a very, very calm day. It's Tuesday. It's quite warm. Warm, very still. It would be a perfect day for getting the drone up. Well, I need to do that. I need to get out, and I've got a few historic sites, historic ruins earmarked to get to. It's just getting the motivation. I'm a little bit, my heart failure kind of holding me in check a little bit. I'm a bit breathless, and I had cancer about 3 years ago that left me in a bit of a mess. So it's just sometimes, it just restricts me a bit. Not a lot. As long as I can get out here, I'm not bothered. So I hope everybody's having a good day. Or you poor buggers who are at work. Like I always say to people, get your finances in order. Retire as early as you can. Because people say, oh, retirement, then there's nothing to do, and it's fabulous. I've not got enough hours in the day. I've got tons and tons of things I need to do. Just fun things. And if I can get weather like this, I'll be getting them done. Lancashire, they reckon it's a grim industrial county. But as us Lancastrians know, it's fab. So this was just a short video to show you what the English countryside looks like when it starts greening up for all you people abroad. All you wild colonials in America and Australia who think we live in a dire country with shit food. Food's fabulous, the countryside's fabulous, the people are fabulous. I'm fabulous, my dog's fabulous. I'm not bothered about anybody else. That's all I'm bothered about. Anyway, I'm going to head back home now. Give Molly some biscuits for lunch. Have a brew and see if these birds are having anything to do with our bird feeders. Then I'm going to get out in the garden. I've got my tomatoes in the sun, my strawberry plants, watered my onions, tomatoes and strawberries, my potatoes, my peas this morning. Retirement, I tell you what, get it sorted as soon as you can. It's fabulous, it really is fabulous. See you, kids. Bye bye.